Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today we're doing a quick review of Tidio. Now, Tidio is a customer service platform that primarily offers a combination of live chat, AI-powered chatbots called Lyro, Lyro, and automation flows to help businesses engage with website visitors and manage customer interactions. The key features include live chats, like we said earlier, Lyro AI chatbots, automation flows, multi-channel integrations into Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, also into a single dashboard, visitor tracking, analytics and reporting, canned responses, that is pre-written responses for quick replies to a common question, lead capture forms, help desks or ticketing, email marketing integration. It also has a mobile app that allows you to manage conversations on the go and customization. So you can see it for the live chat here, for the chatbot, so for sales, of customer service, and for the channels. You can see I mentioned WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and the rest. So we also mentioned that it's an app, so the app is for Android, and it's also have for Windows, Mac, and the browser. So if you want to know more, go to tidio.com and you can, let's see if you can try it for free. Let's see if we can try it for free. Let's see. Yes, you can start for free and you can contact sales if you want to buy. This is the pricing. Just go click on pricing and you see the pricing. Remember, you click on the three lines at the top right corner, then you get options so you can pick pricing from there. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.